Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these like frilly stockings on Dress to Impress. I know we have like these ones, but they just don't give enough ruffles for me. So what you can do is you can head over to these shoes over here and color it like slightly brighter than your actual skin tone. Then you are going to walk over to this dress here. Make sure you saved the color of your skin tone. Select it. Color it white. Color the second one white and the first one the exact same color of your skin tone. And then you're just going to do like this kind of pose here. The chic one. Oops. The chic one. So it looks like it says like two-piece stocking. Let me just get that. Gold money. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can just try to find some poses to make it look good, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.